Miami. Neon skyline, sun-soaked beaches, and a story most visitors never even hear. A selfie at Wynwood's murals, a rushed stroll past Little Havana's cafes. You saw the colors but missed everything they mean. Uvamai's Miami self-guided audio tour hands you 5 of the city's most iconic neighborhoods, with narration that reveals the art, the exile, the engineering, and the ambition behind them. Just $6 for your private access link, professional audio guides, and an interactive map ready whenever you are. No rushing, no crowd. Miami at your pace for up to 6 days. Wander Bayfront Park and hear the engineering secret that keeps this reclaimed land from flooding. Step into the Miami Design District and discover how a rundown industrial block became a global art destination. Browse Bayside Marketplace on the water's edge. Stand before Wynwood walls and learn how vandalism became a global art movement. Walk Little Havana and hear the intimate stories of a community rebuilt from nothing. 5 neighborhoods finally told in full. Travelers from worldwide have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Miami, not just photograph it. Available in 10 languages, real stories, real freedom, real discovery. $6, 5 Miami neighborhoods. The real story of the Magic City. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.